Hi. It seems to me that some of you are having some problems with subject pronouns and object pronouns. So I'm going to make a little video, and it's going to have to be less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to have to hustle through this, and you can stop the video and go through it. Stop the video right now. Go get a Post-it note or a note card and something to write with, because we'll use that later. There are three kinds of pronouns. There are subject pronouns and possessive pronouns and object pronouns. Today we're going to talk about subject pronouns and object pronouns because you and it are both um, you and it are both uh, pronouns that could be used either way. See, there's you and there's it. So sometimes they're subject pronouns and sometimes they're object pronouns. You and it are stinky little knock knock heads. You probably already noticed that you and it were on both lists. So, how does that work? Sometimes in a sentence, you is a subject, and sometimes in a sentence, it is a subject. What's a subject pronoun? A subject is a noun or a pronoun that's doing the action in a sentence. You ate all the Nutter Butters. It nearly hit her right in the head. Mr. Barrett ate the cookie. You is the subject. It is the subject. Mr. Barrett is the subject. Since you and it are doing the action of these sentences, they're acting like subject pronouns. What's an object pronoun? An object pronoun is a noun or a pronoun that receives the action in a sentence. Mom said she gave you the money for tonight. Jimmy ate it all before dinner started. And since you and it are receiving the action, they're called object pronouns. So now it's time to use your Post-it note or your note card and your writing utensil. So you can stop the video if you need to. And here we go. Number from 1 to 4, and then write subject or object on your Post-it note when you have a guess. Number 1, what's you? You should start singing when Bob comes in the door. Number 2, what's you? The bus nearly left you on the corner in the rain. Your answer is either subject or object. Number 3, Sam and Rick brought a cake for you. And then number 4, Kim, Sheila, and you will sing first tomorrow night. So those are you being used in a sentence. You can stop the video if you need more time. The first one, you, was going to start, so that's a subject pronoun. In the second one, left who, left you, so that's an object pronoun. Number 3, for who, for you, that's an object pronoun. And subject in number 4, you will what? Will sing. We're going to do 4 more. These ones are all going to have it in them. Write 1 through 4, and then write subject or object on your Post-it note. If it is the subject, write subject. If it is the object, use object, write object. It will ring at exactly 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. I can't believe he left it outside in the rain. It is all starting to make sense to me now. And Lindsay poured it all over the floor. So take a second if you need to stop the video and look at the sentences. Go ahead and do that. And number 1 was a subject pronoun because it said it will ring. Number 2, it was an object pronoun. Left what? Left it. Number 3 is a subject pronoun. It is what is starting. And number 4, it is an object pronoun. Poured what? Poured it. So hopefully you understand subject pronouns and object pronouns a little bit better now than you did before. And you'll go through those pronoun activities and pronoun quizzes, and you'll do a little bit better, hopefully, because you watched this video. Just remember to clean your room and hug your mom. Make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to do. Keep doing your homework. We're thinking about you. We're praying for you. And we love you.